Hi there. Welcome to Math Solutions Problem of the Day video series. My name is Stephanie Elizondo, and today I'd love for you to join me in thinking about a problem that involves M&Ms and some fractions. So here's our problem. I picked up a handful of M&Ms. 1/3 of them were red. What might a drawing of the M&Ms look like? So as you begin to think about this problem, I want you to think about what might you draw? What would that handful look like? How many red ones might you have? What other colors might you have? Go ahead, work through the problem, and pause the video, and then we'll come back and discuss in a few minutes. So now that you've had a few minutes to think about this, when I'm getting started, I might think about this with what would happen if I just pulled 3 M&Ms. So let's say I pulled 3 M&Ms, and my handful looked like that. If I was to make a drawing of that, I might draw 1, 2, 3 M&Ms. And in this case, I would have 1/3 are blue, 1/3 are red, and 1/3 are green. Because I have 3 M&Ms, 1 is blue, 1 is red, 1 is green. I might also be able to think of this if my handful had 2 red, 2 green, and 2 blue. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. 1/3 of my candies would still be red. I wonder if this picture looks like what your picture might look like. So now I want you to think about this. Seth and Sydney both pulled a handful of M&Ms. They both say that they have 1/3 of their M&Ms are red. Who do you agree with and why? Take a few minutes to think about this, pause the video, and then we'll come back and talk about it. So Seth said that he had 1/3 red because he has 3 red M&Ms. So if we look at these 3 red M&Ms, does that represent 1/3 of all of those candies? So we should be able to put them into 3 equal groups. One of those equal groups should be all red. So if I put 3 here, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 more. If I was to split those up into 3 each, like this one, have I divided out all the candies? This is 1/3 of them red. Here's a group, here's a group, and here's a group. But what about all of these? This is 1/3, but is it 1/3 of all of them? Let's look at Sydney's. If we take Sydney's and put all of the red together, she has 2, 4, 6, 8 red. So all of our groups should have 8 in them. So if I make another group of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and another group of 8, can I do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I have 3 equal groups? There's a group of 8. There's a group of 8, and there's a group of 8. So all of my groups are the same. Are one of those 3 groups red? One is, this group has all red, and it's 1/3 of the whole. So there's 1/3, this pile is 1/3, and this pile is 1/3. So do you think, who are you agreeing with now? Are you agreeing with Sydney or with Seth? Share your ideas with us and let us know how you thought about this.